Needs no introduction, and she is here present at the UN Women Peacekeeping, a Global South Perspectives Conference. Ma'am, thank you so much, first of all, for exclusively talking to DD India.
No, thank you so much. I'm very happy to be here because Government of India actually made history when they asked me to apply for being the civilian police advisor. And I was afraid to even take the test for it because I was thinking it'll be a international knowledge. I may have no knowledge of it, but I prepared and I was selected. So I would give thanks to the Government of India, Ministry of External Affairs, for having made me the first woman in the world to be the civilian police advisor in peacekeeping operations. And then, which enabled me to get back to the Government of India then and see that more women peacekeepers go. And since then, you see the number has increased because that's when we took a decision that India must contribute its women officers to peacekeeping operations. It was not a policy then.
Ma'am, when we talk about the first ever UN Women Peacekeeping Conference in New Delhi, how important it becomes for such sort of conferences to take place in the national capital?
Otherwise, how do you make... You say world is one family. How do you become a family if you don't hold such conferences where you bring people together? Actually, you are walking your talk. World is one family, you're walking your talk by these kind of Global South conferences. And then also doing it through women and women in power. They are all change agents. As the Honorable Foreign Minister said, Mr. Jaishankar says, they are all messengers of peace.
India is sending 2 battalions to South Sudan and 1 battalion to Congo as well. How do you see this progress that the Indian women are making so far?
Oh, they're becoming more visible. That's why I think it's more visible that how brilliant we are, how capable they are, and what is the potential they have in peacekeeping and peace. And you see, when you go to a war-torn, the biggest victims are women and children. Of any war-torn country, they are victims of sexual violence. They are victims of crimes against women. So therefore, who else do you need? You need women in position and you need children to be taken care of. Therefore, women are absolutely essential to be integral to peacekeeping.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Most welcome.
So there you heard Dr. Kiran Bedi talking about the role of women they are playing across different sectors, and especially the UN Women Peacekeeping. And they are not just the peacekeepers, but the peace messengers, as Dr. Bedi says. With camera person Chandrabhushan, this is Deepika reporting for DD India from New Delhi.